Hey guys, welcome back to Live Your Style. I'm Shara. And if you guys are not a part of the Live Your Style fam, hit that subscribe button below and make sure you guys hit the bell notification so you never miss an upload. Today, thanks to HelloFresh for sponsoring this video, we are going to talk about all the different ways that you guys can still have a relaxing weekend, but still feel like you guys are accomplishing a lot. I don't know if you're anything like me, but I love to feel accomplished and set up for a successful week and get a lot of stuff done on the weekends. But I also want to feel like I, got some rest, enjoyed the weekend, and got some good one-on-one time with Tyler and Scout. So today's video, I'm gonna help all those boss babes out there, all you girls that have like giant to-do lists and you're super hard on yourself and trying to get it all done. I'm gonna give you some tips on how to still get some stuff done, but still enjoy your weekends, and I think you guys are gonna like this video. Today's question of the video is, what is your favorite day of the week? Leave your comments below. My favorite day of the week is Fridays because it's kind of the end of the week. I know that Tyler and I can do something kind of fun on a Friday night, and I have the whole weekend ahead of me, so it's like kind of the anticipation. I love weekends, but I think I like Fridays more because it's like, Sundays are the Sunday scaries where you get sad that it's over. Fridays is like, oh, I have the weekend. So anyway, that's my favorite day. Leave yours below. Okay, let's get started. Number 1, wake up at the same time that you normally would during the week. If you want to squeeze the most into your weekend, try pretending that it's an actual weekday and wake up as you normally would. That way you can squeeze as much of your morning routine into that section of the morning while your kids are still sleeping, your dog is still sleeping, hopefully your husband is still sleeping. People tend to sleep in on the weekend, so if the rest of the household is sleeping and you wake up normally like a weekday, there are less distractions in the morning, so our productivity levels tend to be a little bit higher. So get your most important tasks out of the way in the morning. That way you can go on and enjoy your weekend with your family and friends. Don't worry, you can still take a nap, but you get a lot of your stuff done in the morning. Number 2, schedule things to look forward to. Plan a night out with your girlfriends, plan a date night with your significant other, maybe a game night with a bunch of your friends. Plan something that you look forward to during your day. That way you're smarter with your time management as you're working up to that event, and you're more encouraged to get all of your things done. Speaking of date nights, Tyler and I are going to be actually planning a few different date nights in this week. I usually do all the cooking here, or we order out a lot if I'm busy, but this week we are making it a goal to actually cook together. Thanks to HelloFresh for providing the most delicious meals ever. You guys know that I have tried HelloFresh before, and I absolutely love the whole service of it because it allows me to spend less time going to 10 different grocery stores to find all the things that I need, and more time doing what I love, which is cooking, especially when Tyler helps me. And I actually love the fact that all the recipes are super specific, listed out and really easy step by step, especially when Tyler's helping me, because then he's able to kind of know his job, I know my job, and we can kind of be working simultaneously, and I don't have to stop and verbally give him all the instructions. He can just look over my shoulder, read the next step, and then know what to do. All the recipes that we've had so far are super convenient. Tyler usually has to do the dishes, so he loves the fact that most of these recipes are one-pot recipes. We made one last night that was delicious, and we had one little fry pan that we made it in, and it was actually awesome. And it tastes better, I think, when you kind of cook things all in the same pan. Turns out to be a little more cohesive of a flavor, Even Scout likes this meal. They give you all the spices and sauces and things exactly measured out for you for each recipe. So I don't have to drive all over town trying to find that one thing and then let the whole bottle go bad. I need exactly what I need for the recipe, and that's it. It's great because the subscription account is super easy to manage. You can adjust what kind of meals you receive and also how often you receive them. They just make it really flexible. That way it goes along with your schedule and with your life. So if you guys want to check out HelloFresh, feel free to click the link below, go to HelloFresh.com, use the promo code LiveYourStyle60, and you guys can get $60 off your order, which is essentially $20 off your first 3 boxes. We really, really have enjoyed using HelloFresh. It honestly makes it really convenient. And the recipes are so delicious. I'm actually going to a friend's house in a couple of days for dinner, and I'm gonna make a HelloFresh meal and bring it over. Talk about convenient. Don't even have to shop. Boss babes who don't have time to grocery shop. You just cook. Okay, moving on. Number 3. Number 3, drink your cold brew, homemade cold brew, and make a list of all the things you'd like to get done, then cut that list in half. Yes, you have a wide open weekend. Yes, you have so many things you would love to get done, but we really need to be careful of not overdoing it on the weekends. Make sure you make plans with your friends and you get out of the house. It's probably not realistic that you guys can get everything done just in one weekend, so I suggest making a long list of everything in a perfect world that you would love to get done that weekend. Then go through it again and pick out the things that you guys feel are most logical and easiest to accomplish, and the things that are most important, and put those on a second list and make those your targeted goals. Make sure not to just shove a whole bunch of to-dos and work stuff and errands in that list. Make sure you also have some time with friends, maybe take a nap, go to the park, or watch some TV. Then schedule those leftover tasks before or after work during the weekday for the next week. And if you guys want this cold brew recipe, I happen to know a Live It journal entry that may have it in it. Just a thought. Number 4, make time limits for your tasks. If you don't set time limits for the errands that you have to run, you'll end up spending 3 hours cleaning instead of spending 3 hours at Target, which is where you really want to be. So if you guys set your schedule up in 1 to 2 hour blocks for each thing that you have to do, you'll be much more likely to stay on schedule, get a lot more done, and not be wasteful with your time and your energy when you don't really need to be. Number 5, limit your technology use. Most of you guys probably spend a lot of time during the week staring at a computer screen, staring at your phones. In fact, if you want to know how much time you were on certain apps like Instagram and stuff, you guys can go, if you have an iPhone, go to settings, then scroll down until you see battery usage, tap that, and it will pop up and show you each app and how much time you've spent in 24 hours and in the last 7 days on each app and how long those apps have been running in the background. Pretty interesting and kind of convicting, to be honest. I need to get off Instagram, I think, is the moral of my story. But if you guys on the weekends really make it a priority to limit the amount of technology you consume, whether that be TV, phone, or computer, you'll get a lot more done. You'll feel way more refreshed because it forces you to go outside or to get some chores done. And I think you guys will be a lot happier with it in the end. It doesn't mean you guys have to go off the grid for the whole weekend, but like the step before, it's better if you guys schedule a specific time that you're gonna watch a show or be on Instagram, whatever. Give yourself some time to have those moments, but then make sure you cut it off after a certain amount of time. Number 6, get outside and get moving. Okay, if you guys don't have a ton of time to be working out during the week, now is the time to do it. During the weekends, if you guys can just commit to even going for a walk, it will not only give you more energy, but it also improves your mood, kind of helps you to think a little clearer, and you never know, maybe you'll come up with that next great idea while you're on the treadmill. No, probably not. I mean, I'll probably come up with my next great idea eating ice cream watching The Bachelor. That's my opinion. Just kidding. Okay, you guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a thumbs up if you liked this video. And thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video and delivering delicious meals straight to our door. Make sure you guys sign up for the Live It journal this week if you have not already. You guys can get additional inspiration for how to make your Saturdays wonderful. Also, you guys are gonna get that cold brew recipe. I included that in there and a couple of my favorite creamers that are delicious. And some are vegan. So if you're a vegan, you should join the Live It journal fam, because we got dairy free. And you guys are gonna get the ultimate girl boss morning routine. So click the link to sign up. And don't forget to comment your favorite day of the week down below. And I will see you guys next week. Bye-bye.